Welcome to the project demonstration of over and under voltage protection system by using LM358 comparator. So whenever the voltage was less than the 180 volts or is greater than the 245 volts, then automatically the comparator will take a decision to isolate the power supply to the load in order to protect that from the over and under voltage faults. So here we are using main component is LM358 comparator circuit. So it has the two comparators, dual comparators. One comparator with with reference to this reference voltage 1 and second comparator with the reference voltage 2. So it will check with the reference voltage for the low and high. So we are providing the common input for the comparator 1 and comparator 2. It will keep on checking with these two one. So whenever the condition is satisfied, this is low voltage when it is above 180 and is higher voltage limit whenever it is less than the 245. Then these two conditions satisfied, these two comparators will provide us the high signals. These two LEDs will show the status of the fault. So when it is normal, two lights will get switched on. So the relays will get switched on. So that parallelly the load will get the power supply. If is there any fault detected, where it is a high voltage or low voltage, then one of this comparator will circuit off, then automatically one of the relay will get switched off. When these two conditions satisfied only, then the bulb will get the supply. So we are developing a AND operation by using these comparator circuits, and the output of these gates is input to these two relay boards. These relays also will implementing the same AND gates. The whole system getting the power supply from this 230 volts AC cable, and that is the input to the our regulated power supply board. So this is the regulated power supply board which has the 4 stages. One is the transformation, rectification, filtration and regulation. Transformation to step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC, rectifier to convert the AC to pulsating DC, filtration to remove the pulses and to provide the constant DC voltage, and regulation to take the 12 volts DC input and provide as a constant 5 volts DC output. That is the operating voltage of our comparator as well as the relay circuits. Once we provide the 5 volts power supply, it keep on checking the input from this reference voltage, means main input voltage, and it will compare that voltage with low and high reference voltages. When these two satisfied, then only the two comparators will provide the high signal so that the two relays will get switched on. If is any abnormality detected either low or high, then one of the relays will get switched off. So that due to the AND operation output 1 0 or 0 1, the output is going to be the 0 only, means the bulb won't get the power supply. Coming to this relay board, there we can see the LED indication. So there everywhere you can see the LED indication which will show the status of the power passing. And once the relay will get switched on, parallelly the LEDs will get switched on, and on this one we can see one more transistor. So the switching is like comparator will on the transistor, transistor will on the relay, relay will on this bulb directly. So let us see the demonstration again. So as of now the low voltage fault occurred, so it's normal. So we set this limit 1. We can change the limit also by changing the direction of this potentiometer. This is the low and this one is the high. Right.